Okay, let's do the DI method. So x cubed sine of x, 3x squared, 6x, 6, 0, minus cosine of theta, so minus cosine of x, minus sine of x, cosine of x, and then sine of x. Again, differentiate, 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 anti-differentiate, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Do the cross terms. The cool thing is the sine terms, they just evaluate to 0, and then and also here, and then we just have the 0 terms over there. So in the end, you evaluate this from 0 to pi, and you get minus cosine of pi, pi cubed, and then it's plus 6 pi cosine of pi, and what you get is pi cubed minus 6 pi. And almost